Welcome to Peggy's Tropical Garden, coming to you from the Florida Keys. Today I'd like to talk to you about the Philodendron Thai sunrise. Now, 5 months ago I'd never heard of a Philodendron Thai sunrise, and it's now one of my favorite plants. I was searching the term philodendron on the internet and came across a website called Mercari. I've shopped there before and saw this beautiful plant with lime green leaves and dark green margins and yellow stems. And I decided I really would like to have this plant. It was being offered for $31, and I offered the seller $28, and she accepted. Now, philodendron happen to be some of my favorite plants. I find them, for the most part, very easy to work with. So this is a rooted cutting, and I do prefer when I'm buying cuttings that they be rooted whenever possible. It arrived in a matter of 3 or 4 days without any problems at all. Everything was just as shown in the ad, and I'm very impressed with this plant. And that's a lot of times how I find new places to shop, as well as am introduced to new plants. Like I said, I just put the word philodendron in the search engine and went where it took me. So this plant, the roots, as you can see here, are not that extensive. So I decided to put it in my hydroponic grow box so that the roots could develop further. The more extensive the root system, the better chance you have of the plant thriving. So I left it in there, I believe, for about 2 weeks and then potted it up in a well-draining soil mix. 3 months later, this is how the plant looks. If you recall what this plant looked like when I first unboxed it, it had 2 leaves and 1 ready to unfurl. As you can see, it has grown considerably in 3 months' time. In terms of care, this plant has the same requirements as most philodendrons. It does best in well-draining soil with some organic matter. It prefers indirect bright light. When I first potted this up, I did not have it near a light source, and the colors were not nearly as vibrant as they are now. So that light definitely has impacted the look of this plant. This plant is hardy in U.S. hardiness zones 9 to 11. So if you live within those growing zones, you should be able to grow this plant outdoors year-round without any issues. Indoors, this plant prefers temperatures between 50 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and I water it thoroughly every 2.5 weeks. Now, I did do some research, and it said that the soil should remain moist, and that has not been my experience at all. So as always, I do encourage you to learn this plant and how it behaves in your particular soil that you have it planted in and in your environment, because it will vary. I believe this plant is growing in popularity. It's kind of hard to find, and I have noticed that the prices are going up considerably. So if it's something you're interested in, I would definitely recommend that you buy it soon. One thing to just take note of, I've seen a lot of them out for sale now that have solid green leaves. They look like a golden goddess philodendron to me. And then they have like 1 or 2 leaves that are variegated. So if you want a highly variegated plant, I would recommend that you get one that you can see that it has predominantly variegated leaves. The ones with the solid leaves, I don't know if those are plants that are reverting or what. I couldn't find any information on it. I consider this to be one of the easier philodendrons to grow. I put this on the same level as I would growing a pothos. It's just that easy. I would not hesitate in the least to recommend this plant to a beginner. At the time of this recording, this plant is not one that is very common or readily available, so I've never seen it in a big box store or even at plant nurseries. So if you're interested in one, you're probably going to have to buy it from a private seller. And because it roots so easily, I wouldn't hesitate to buy it as a cutting. Just make sure that That cutting includes a node. So I'm so happy to have come across this plant and have it in my collection. I think it's definitely a beautiful addition. So that's about it. That's all I have for the Philodendron Thai Sunrise. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate you supporting my channel. Take care. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.